Hi all and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is a brief video by Crypto Bros just to show you how is the launching time of one of these projects that are now super trendy. And in this occasion we are going to talk about AVAX Staker, which is pretty similar to another project that has given us incredible profits and that has almost 1 month age, and which was called Matic Staker. So basically, instead of working with Matic, with the Polygon network, in this occasion we are going to operate through our MetaMask wallet or through our Trust wallet, but in the AVAX network. So basically what you have to do is stake in your AVAX and then earn up to a 20% daily. It all depends on the packages that you peak. So if you choose savings, which is staking during 14 days, you will receive 120% total return of your investment. But if you choose classics, is gonna be a little bit more. And then if you finally choose premium 28 days, you are gonna receive almost a 200% of return of your investment. The great thing of these packages is that they are a lock, so basically you can take out your profits in any moment. However, if you choose these lock packages, they have more return on investment, but of your investments, but they are more risky because you cannot take out your profits during these periods of time: 14 days, 21 days, or 28 days. So basically you decide here. Obviously the platinum is the more interesting, talking about ROI, but the more risky on the other hand. So you decide. The good thing is that this is a Ponzi-nomic, as we have commented in other videos. So basically the first comes the first, the one who has more possibilities to take out their initial investment with these profits. So here we are seeing that they are about to start when we hand this video. Probably it has been started a couple of hours ago, so you will be pretty soon. And don't forget to, I'm about to finish this video because I want to invest a little bit, but don't forget to have a your referral link, so other people can use it and you can have extra profits. Okay, we will let our down below in the video. So thank you very much and see you on the next video. Let's see if this project goes pretty as well as Matic Staker was. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye.